Hey y'all, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Bayside Jewel. How y'all doing? I just thought I'd come on real quick and just chop it up with y'all for a minute. You know, it's another rainy day here in the Gambia. And I don't have any errands to run, so I'm really kind of enjoying it. I got to go out here and still make sure my chickens get fed. So I'll probably be taking you right along with me. Yeah. So y'all can see how it rains here. I noticed my junction. Queen told me, she was right. She said we're gonna probably need a boat to get back and forward out of this junction. And it's getting there. Right now, it's about like a small little lake. I'm gonna take you out there so you can see. Yeah, so it's just a rainy day, and I'm just around the house, loving it, enjoying it. I wish I had some of my keyboards or something I could really jam to. The ones I got here, like Tonka toys, you know. But yeah, let's go. Oh, let's see. We got to get the keys. Maybe they're downstairs. Yeah. All right, let's go. It's kind of slowing down a little bit, but let me show y'all here. Yeah, see that little lake back there? She ain't jiving. It's really getting to be like a little lake. Look at this. Look at this. It's all water, Jack. It's all water, baby. So it's coming this way, closer to my place. See, it's not too far away. But yeah, if it keeps on doing that, we will need a boat. See. There we go. Let y'all peep in on my chickens. See my banana tree? This one's having babies. See? Yeah, small bananas down there. Yeah, this is a tall banana tree. Them right there, those are short ones. Yeah. So how y'all doing, man? I know things is really crazy over there from what I see. But when I when I talk to people from over there, they're like, "Oh, everything is still the same. Everything is great." I'm like, "Oh, really? You know, you're mandated to take vaccinations and wear masks, and everything is great." Hey, you know, I'll tell you this: if you're one of the fortunate ones to be able to work from home, I say it's a good opportunity to think about maybe, starting an online business or something that's gonna, bring you in a few dollars here and there, and start trying to create your way out of the system, you know. I don't know. Maybe you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, this does not apply to you. But I know I was tired, getting up at 4:30 in the morning, you know, same old shit every day, same old shit, you know. So I'm just very fortunate that the ancestors tapped me and was like, "What are you doing? You take this opportunity and you get your ass out of here. You can have a better life, you know. Go to Africa, you know." So that's what I did. And I'm gonna tell you, it's one of the greatest things I've done, you know. And since I've been here in the Gambia, there are so many brothers and sisters that are coming. You know, I don't know what's going on with the borders or anything or with these passports, but I'm meeting a lot of brothers and sisters over here. And they're feeling the same way that I do. Some of them have done the same thing that I did. They went back home and shipped all their shit over here. Yeah. You know, and it's crazy because even my neighbor in the next compound, she's from America. And I had some people in back of me that was looking at a compound. And as far as I know, they didn't get it. But yeah, I met them. And they're from America. So a lot of people are, saying they had enough. You know what I'm saying? And the system over there, it's funny because I was thinking the system over there. You remember that show that Santa Claus, Chris Kringle or whatever the hell he was, when he had his broke leg, sitting in a chair, talking about no toys, no yo-yos, no sellouts, because he didn't want nobody to celebrate Christmas. That's how I feel about over there, man. They're telling you, put on your face mask, take the injection, and then you got this thing where it's actually dividing people, because you got people that done took their vaccination shots, and then they're trying to get you to take it. You know what I'm saying? And then they'll look down on you if you don't take it. What the hell is wrong with people, man? I thought people were more cautious about, what they really put in their body. I know we eat a lot of junk food, especially over there. But I know there was a lot of people that didn't eat much junk food. As a matter of fact, didn't even eat meat or very little, But you got some of those same people that are eager to go get their damn shot. I don't know about y'all, but I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it at all. So, I mean, because you remember what happened, in the past when the British came over here and to America, when they all came together as white, and they started handing out people blankets, and the blankets were killing. They were trying to depopulate America, the empire. And they did, because people were taking those damn blankets. Yeah, they slept nice and warm at night, but in the morning, they wasn't feeling so hot, you know? But how, you don't really know what is the motive behind this shit. But all I can say is, it ain't for me, you know? To each his own. But, and I don't want to be out here disrespecting anybody that may have taken this shit, but I don't trust it. I wouldn't put that shit in my body. I never even had a flu shot, and was just fine without ever having a flu shot, you know? So, I don't know. But, yeah, they're like, no toys, no yo-yos, and no sellouts. Everybody must wear the mask and take the shot. And he just getting rolled around in his damn wheelchair with his broke ass leg. And that's it. They're on their last goddamn leg. This is why they're pushing this bullshit. So anyway, y'all, just wanted to come at you because I don't know. I just feel like making a little video. And if you watch it, good. If you don't, it's okay. But hey, y'all, you know, I'm just doing my thing, man, and I'm gonna share as much as I can with you about the Gambia because I'm starting to learn it pretty damn good. All right. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all. Assalamu alaikum. Peace.